Hello, in today's tutorial we'll be looking at Canva Magic Studio. Now for this, let's go to Elements and search for an image. In this case, let's search for cat. Look at photos, see all for photos. I will be using copyright-free images for this. Now let's choose this one. So now that we've chosen this one, go up here to Edit Photo and you can see the Magic Studio. Now in the Magic Studio, you'll see that some are pro and some are free. Okay, so but I'm going to go through the whole thing with you. First one is the background remover, and as you can see, it's removed the background. Now the next one is Magic Edit, which is free. So Magic Edit, it just means that you can change something. So in this case, you can change the brush size here, as you can see. Let's make it here. So I'm just going to, I want to change the color of the cap. So, and then let's continue. Now it will also give you some inspiration, add a mermaid tattoo and so on and so forth. I'm just going to put in change color to yellow, okay, and generate. Now it's changed the cap to yellow. So let's go back now, and for this one, for example, Magic Expand. Now if you can see, this is a square image with a white background here. So let's just go here to expand it. So click Magic Expand, and you're given a choice: freeform, whole page, or a ratio of what you want, okay, or custom sizes. So I'm just going to put whole page and I'm going to click Magic Expand. So this is the first one. This is the second option. Third one, it's added a cat. And this one, I like this one. So it's expanded the picture to put in other things. Now you can always redo it. You can regenerate new results as well. So now we have also the Magic Grab. And we can click Magic Grab. What it does is it will grab the most prominent image there. So in this case, it has removed that. Now you can delete that. You can put it here. You can put a new background. Let's say you want to put a background photo of a couch. So you want to put this one, enlarge it, position, send it to the back, and the cat is there, and you can have the cat sitting there. Going back to the original image. So we've done the background remover. Now we can do the Magic Eraser. Magic Eraser just erases things. So you can choose your brush size, and let's say you just don't want these buttons. And as you can see, it's removed the buttons. Okay, so that. So we've done the Magic Expand, we've done the Magic Eraser, background remover, Magic Edit. So let's try the grab text. So in this case, we're just going to open up a page and we're going to look for a text. So I've just found a text here. So for this one, highlight it, go to Edit Photo, and you click Grab Text. So now it has grabbed it. Now you can remove that, and as you can see, this was white. So we can change it to any color we want. We can change it to red. We can make it bigger. We can change the font. So let's say you want it to have a script. That's how it is. We can have it anything that we want. So we can change it. So this is how Magic Studio works, and I hope you liked this video. If you did, please do like, share, and subscribe.